Okay, so here is the figure, and there's this tombstone. It doesn't seem to fit. I tried pushing it in, but you know, I don't know. Maybe I should glue this. But okay, so this is the figure. It approximately stands around almost 9 inches tall, and the figure. Look at this. This is how the wolf stance should be. But if you extend it enough, so it will actually reach 9 inches. And the details on this is very awesome. Really good God, I love it. Yep, the face is so gruesome. There is something that I want to say, because it doesn't. It would be really awesome if they would have made it an open mouth. There's like should be a hinge or something. But other than that, details are so good, so damn good. It is the best werewolf figure that I've seen. Now I can't wait for NECA to release the American Werewolf in London. And okay, so look at the back here. Backside. Okay, right, the backside. Cool. Very cool. Muscular, slim. There seems to be like a bullet hole effect. It tried to kill him or something. I don't know the story. It doesn't say on the box, but you know. Well, basically, this is awesome. The claws looks amazing, amazing. How do I focus? All right, here we go. Oh, wait. Okay, right there. Awesome claws. Awesome claws. Right there. Yes. Oh, right there. Okay. Seems to be enough. And Warren. I guess his name is Warren. I don't know. Well, anyway, that is it. I love this figure. I'm gonna keep it. If I find some more of this, I'll probably make an army. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you guys.